Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in our last session, we have discussed lesson 8 Clever Hassan. The lesson is about a barber as well as a simple and poor gentleman, Hassan. Yeah. Long ago, there was a barber and he had barber shop, that is saloon shop, in the market of the main market of the city. The barber was very cunning and always he used to fool and cheat other people. So one day Hassan, a poor and simple gentleman, came to market to sell his goods. So he had loaded all the different kinds of pots and pans on his donkey and came to the market to sell his goods. The cunning barber, saw Hassan and he wanted to cheat him. The barber thought of a plan. Then he came to Hassan and said that, "What is the price of your goods?" So Hassan said, "First tell me which one you want so that I can tell the price of that item." But barber said, "I want all the items." Hassan felt very happy and he said that the cost of all the items is just 50 dinars. So the barber paid 50 dinars to Hassan, and Hassan felt very happy that as soon as he came to the market, that person has purchased all the goods. So he felt very happy and received 50 dinars from the barber. Then he started unloading all the pans as well as the pots which were loaded on the donkey. Then the barber said that, "What is this? What you are doing? Why you are unloading all the pots and pans?" Then Hassan said that, "I want to give, as you have purchased all these, I want to give all the goods to you. So I am unloading." But the barber shouted on Hassan that, "I have purchased everything, that is the pots, pans, along with that donkey also. So don't unload it. Give all the items along with the donkey." By listening the words, Hassan started crying. He said that, "No, I have sold only the pots and pans. How can you take the donkey?" But the barber shouted on Hassan and Hassan started crying. Meanwhile, all the people who were there in the market gathered over there, and they called Hazi, that is the head of the city, to give the judgment. The Hazi listened to Hassan as well as the barber, and then he said to Hassan that your deal is not clear. So you have to give your donkey to the barber along with the pots and pans. Hassan felt very sad and he handed over his donkey and all the items that he brought to the market. He went back to his home, but he did not forget the barber who had cheated him. He was thinking about the barber to teach a good lesson to him. He planned one day he planned to visit to barber shop. So Hassan dressed himself as a rich person and he went to barber saloon and said that, "I am a merchant. I came here to have the haircut. I and my partner, both of us, want a haircut." Then the barber felt very happy and he said that the cost of the cost of two haircut is 100 dinars. Then Hassan said that, "It is not about the money, do a good job. So 100 dinars is not an issue, but you cut the hair properly, do a good job." Then the barber felt very happy and he started cutting the hair of the merchant, that is Hassan. So he cut a smart and a very beautiful haircut to Hassan, and then he started massaging his head. While massaging the head, the barber asked Hassan that, "Where is your partner?" Then the merchant Hassan, said that, "My partner is standing out of the shop." Then the barber went out to see the partner. For his surprise, there was a donkey on the road in front of his shop. He was very surprised and shouted on Hassan that, "I don't cut the hair of a donkey, I'll cut only the hair of the human beings." He shouted on Hassan. But Hassan said that no, as you have agreed to cut the hair of my partner is my business partner is donkey. So you have to cut the hair of my donkey also. Both of them started fighting, and all the people who were there near on this all the people who were there on the street, they gathered around them, and they called the Khazi. Khazi decided that the barber was at fault. It is the fault of barber. So he has to cut the hair of the partner, that is donkey. Now there is no other alternate, so barber started cutting the hair of the donkey. He realized that the person who came to his shop as a merchant was Hassan only. Barber realized that he had been fooled and started cutting the hair of the donkey. Everyone who is passing by, they laughed at Hassan. Everyone laughed and laughed. The the barber felt ashamed of himself, and he realized that if he cheat others, one or the other day he may become fool. He may be fooled by them. So he agreed. So the barber agreed to return back Hassan's donkey to Hassan only, and he returned it, and Hassan went back to his home very happy with his donkey. So that is the lesson about clever Hassan. Now I'll show you the video of the lesson. Watch the video and understand the lesson clearly, children.
Clever Hassan. Long ago, there lived a barber. He had a shop in the main market of the city. The barber was very cunning. He fooled and cheated people. One day, Hassan came to the market to sell his goods. His donkey was loaded with all kinds of pots and pans. Hassan looked simple and poor. The barber saw Hassan and thought of a plan. He asked Hassan,
"What is the price of your goods?" "First tell me which ones you want. Only then can I tell the price,"
replied Hassan.
"All that you have,"
said the barber.
"Give me 50 dinars and all is yours,"
said Hassan. The barber paid the money. Hassan was very happy with the deal. He took the money and began to unload the donkey.
"Why are you unloading? You have sold all that you have. This way the donkey also becomes mine,"
shouted the barber. Poor Hassan did not know what to do. He started crying. Many people gathered around him. The Qazi was called to decide the matter. The barber told his story. Hassan explained what he had meant. The Qazi thought for a while, then told Hassan,
"You did not make a clear deal. You have to give the donkey with the pots and pans."
Hassan had no choice. He left everything and went home very sad. Hassan could not forget what the barber had done. He kept on making plans to teach him a lesson. One day, Hassan dressed up like a rich man. He went to the barber's shop and said,
"I am a merchant. My partner is with me. We both want a haircut."
The barber was happy to see the rich merchant.
"I shall charge 100 dinars for both of you, sir,"
He said,
"That is a lot of money. But never mind. Money is not a problem. Do a good job,"
said Hassan. The barber gave a very smart haircut to the merchant. Then he started massaging his head and asked politely,
"Where is your partner, sir?" "He is standing outside,"
replied Hassan. The barber went out and saw a donkey standing on the road. He was shocked.
"I don't give haircuts to donkeys,"
He shouted.
"The deal was made by you. The donkey is my partner in business. You have to give him a haircut now,"
Replied Hassan. Now the barber realized who the merchant was. A fight started. Once again, people gathered and the Qazi was called. The Qazi decided that the barber was at fault. This time, the barber had been fooled. The barber had to stand in the market and give the donkey a haircut. Everybody laughed and laughed. At last, he agreed to return Hassan's donkey to him. Hassan went home very happy. The barber stopped fooling people.
Okay, that is a video of the lesson Clever Hassan. Hope you all have understood the lesson, children. Now, with this, we'll close today's session. Coming to today's year homework, read Lesson 8 Clever Hassan. Okay, children? Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye, children.